My real identity is captain of the 7 deadly sins. I'm Meliodas, the dragon sin. We're taking over Faisal. Everything here belongs to us now. I'm giving you less than 1 minute to clear out of this town. Understand? If you don't, we're gonna kill you all!
Like you bruise up, just don't you remove none. Feel like it's who jumping, we got reggae too bumping. I need me two coming, double quick drumming.
My technique was flawless. I'm certain my blade struck him. But the one who actually felt the force of the blow, how could it possibly have been me? And what is that in your hand? A broken blade?
Meliodas! Is that actually who you are? Really?
Wait a minute. Now your face is beginning to look familiar. But if that's who you truly are, how can you look exactly the same as you did?
Alright, time's up. Figured it out yet?
No, it can't be. And yet, you still dare to exist! Conclusion. This incomprehensible, extraordinary power is that of the legend!
The 7 deadly sins. The sin of wrath. The dragon sin. Meliodas!
Hey, all of my eyes, I can't see. I'm at to jump out my body, I'm ready to leap. I'm about to nut on her body and tell her holy. 50 mil stuff in the bed, tell the whole gang eat. And body, tell me who fucking with we. I just killed her man, she's my ally.